Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so until now we learned the single letters. Okay, now in today's lesson we are going to learn the compound letters, the mixed letters. That means how one letter gets combined with the other letter, how two or more letters are joined together to make a word. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to identify each letter in the form of compound letters or mixed letters. Okay, so can you see the first letter? It is Alif. The first letter is Alif. Then besides that it is Lam Alif. Okay, Lam Alif. Then the third one is also Lam Alif. Okay, then it is the Ba Alif. Why is it a Ba? Because a line and if there is a dot below the line at the bottom of the line, it is a Ba. Okay, so if there is a dot below the line, it is Ba. If there is a single dot above a line, it is a Noon. If there are two dots above a line, it is a Ta. If there are three dots above a line, it is a Tha. If there are two dots below a line, it is a Ya. Okay, so you have to learn all this. Okay, so there is a dot below a line, that means it is a Ba. Then you have a joined Alif with that. Okay, then after that it is Lam Alif. Many people think that it is Alif Lam, but let me tell you one thing, that Alif will never join from this side. Okay, if you want to write Alif Lam, you will write an Alif and a Lam separately. If you want to write Alif Ba, you will write Alif separately, Ba separately. If you want to write Alif Jim, you will write Alif separately and Jim separately. Okay, so Alif will never join from this side, it always joins from this side, like in this Ba Alif. Okay, so this one is a Lam Alif. First you have, this is a Lam, even though it is not in this shape. Okay, sometimes Lam comes in this shape, then you have a Alif. Okay, so you have to remember that always if something is joining from this side, it is never Alif. Okay, so it is Lam Alif, not Alif Lam. So I am repeating the first line: Alif, Lam Alif, Lam Alif, Ba Alif, Lam Alif. Then come to the next line, second line, it is Lam. Then you have Lam Alif. Then you have Lam Ha. It is a Lam. Okay, Lam Ha. See, it is written this way. This is a Lam and it is joined with a Ha. Okay, actually here there is no space, that's why it is written a little bit this way. Okay, but actually it is this Lam and Ha. Then again you have Lam Alif. Then you have Ba, Lam, Ba. Okay, then come to the third line, it is Kaf. It is the shape of a calf. Till now you have learned only this shape of a calf. Okay, but there is one more shape of a calf and it is this. Okay, and there is one more shape like a S. It is also a Kaf. So Kaf, Kaf, Kaf Ba, Kaf Ba, Kaf Alif. Then come to the fourth line. Fourth line, first word is also a Kaf. Okay, this is a Kaf and it is a Alif joined to it. So it is Kaf Alif, Kaf Alif. Okay, then you have Ba, Kaf, Ta, Ta, Kaf, Sa, Ba, Ta, Sa, Noon, Ya, Ba Alif, Noon Alif, Ta Alif. Here you can identify the dots. Okay, see, a dot below a line, it is Ba Alif. Then dot above a line is Noon Alif. Two dots above a line, Ta Alif. Two dots below a line, Ya Alif. Three dots above a line, Sa Alif. Okay, Then you have ba seen, ya seen, noon seen, ta seen, sa seen, sa jim, ta ha. Then you have noon kha, noon kha. First you have a dot above a line, so it is a dot of a noon. Then you have kha, in green you have kha, okay, noon kha, ya ha. That is why it is given in different colors in this book, okay. The pink one is the noon and the green one is completely kha, so that you can understand, okay. So noon kha, ya ha, ba jim, ya mim, ba mim. See ba mim. Even though the line is curved, inverted curve, but then too it is a line and below that it has a dot. So a dot below a line is a ba, okay. May it be any sort of line, may it be inverted curve or a straight line or slanting line or any form of line, but if there comes a dot below a line, it is a ba. So ba mim. Come to the next line. Noon mim, ta mim, sa mim, ba ya, ba ya. It is a ya, okay. Ba ya. Now can you see in this that ba has a standing line and there is a dot below it, okay. So I told you before that the line can be any form of line, may it be a standing line or a stroke or may it be a curve line or inverted curve line. Here you have a straight line and below that it has the dot with the same color. That means a line and below that if there is a dot, it is a ba. Then you have a ya, okay, ba ya. Then you have ya ya, noon ya, ta ya, sa ya, noon ba lam, ta noon lam, ba ya lam, ya ta lam, sa lam, noon ba noon, ba noon noon, ta ya noon, ya ta noon, sa noon, jim ha kha, ha sa, kha ba. See, this is the shape of ha kha, okay. As we can see that in ha and kha, we write ha and kha this way, okay, with a big curve. But when in form of joining, we write halfway, okay, then we join other letter to it. We skip that curve, okay, in a jim, ha and kha, okay. So it is let's read from here. It is jim, ha, kha, ha sa, kha ba, jim ta, ta ha ta, ya jim ba, ba kha ta. This is a little bit confusing. First you can see that which is the first dot. Yes, the dot that is at the below, okay, it is the first dot, okay, coming first. So a dot below a line, because we can see that the line is first with a dot at the bottom, so it is ba. Then we have this thing with a dot above, so it is a kha. So ba kha ta, okay, it is a ba kha ta. Then you have ta. I had told you before that if there are two dots above a ha, then it is no more a ha now, it is a ta. This ta is called tai mudawwara and the long ta is tai mabsuta, okay. So this is a ta. If the two dots come above ha, it is a ta now, okay. So it is ta. Then you have ha, ba ta, ya ha, ta ha. Can you see a little bit slanting line besides ta? Yes, it is a shape of a ha, okay. Ta ha, noon ta. Then again you have ha. This is a ha. Then you have ya ha ba, ba ha alif, ba, ha, mim, dal, zal, jim, dal. Can you see how dal is joined? It is joined like a bowl, okay, a deep cavity, okay, whereas in raw it is not like a bowl, okay, even it has a deep cavity, but it is no more like a bowl, while you can see that in dal it is something this way, okay, and raw is this. So you have to identify the differences between dal and raw. You can see that in dal it is joined with a line taking above and then a round shape, whereas in raw it is directly joined from the towards the bottom, okay. So let's see this is jim dal, kha zal, then you have raw, za, jim raw, kha za, raw, za, ya raw, ta za, sin, sheen, sin lam, sheen lam, sod, dod, to, zo, sod ba, to ba, dod alif, zo alif, ain, ghain, hamza, ain za. Okay, you can see that I said that it is a ain, but you might be having a doubt that this is a hamza, okay. Always remember that hamza never joins with anything like this, okay. Hamza is always written separately, okay. See, these are the three forms of hamza. Hamza is either written on alif or waw or ya, always, or above some line. Hamza never joins to any letter this in this way, okay. So it is not a hamza, it is a ain, okay. So it is ain za, ghain ra, sod ain. You can see that ain completely changes its structure when it joins, okay. So if it is joining this way it is ain, and if it is joining separately, not overlapping to anything, it is ha, okay. So this is sod ain, dod ghain, ba ain dal, ta ghain zal. I'm repeating that line. Ghain ra, sod ain, dod ghain, ba ain dal, ta ghain dal. This is ba ain dal. If I want to write ba ha dal, then I will write it this way, okay. So ha is not overlapping, whereas ain overlaps this way, okay. So this is the difference between ha and ain. Many people get confused between ha and ain. So it is ba ain dal, ta ghain dal. Then you have hamza, hamza, hamza. All three are hamza, okay. Then we have fa, qaf, wow, qaf, wow, fa, wow, fa, qaf, lam, qaf, fa, lam, ya, fa, mim, mim, ha, mim, lam, mim, ta, mim, ta, mim, ta. Okay, so this way you have to read this lesson. Once you are perfect with these lessons, then inshallah we will move on with the vowel sounds. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.